Hey guys, Justin Van Ork back with another literary device video. So let's jump into what is a hyperbole. A hyperbole is an exaggerated statement that's not meant to be taken literally by the reader. Let's jump into some examples. So an example is, I'm so hungry I can eat a horse. The speaker is not literally going to eat an entire horse, and most likely they couldn't. This is just puts emphasis on exactly how starved the speaker is. I've told you 1,000,000 times to clean your room. This example is clearly an overstatement to emphasize repetition. I'm so cold I'm turning into an icicle. That shows extreme cold. My heart is shattered into 1,000,000 pieces. Extreme heartbreak. My legs are jelly after that workout. It exaggerates their fatigue. So here are a few more examples that we can get into for what a hyperbole is. This line is moving slower than a snail. It overstates delay. This ice cream is heaven in a cone. Overstates delight. I feel like I've been on hold forever. This overstates their annoyance. This suitcase weighs a ton. Overstates heaviness. This coffee is life-changing. It exaggerates their delight. My boss is the devil incarnate. Amplifies their dislike. For your homework, write 1 to 2 examples of a hyperbole that would go well with the story you're currently working on and see if it fits. Type it down in the comments below if you want us to help you come up with some hyperboles for the story you're working on. And always remember, always be writing, always be reading, and embrace rewriting. And like always, here's the question of the video. Why did you start writing? Comment your answer below. I started writing because it was my escape from reality. I read a lot of stories which I wish had different endings, especially because I kind of like when the hero tragically ends but does something heroic, right? A sacrifice or something, or where an unlikely hero becomes a hero, sacrifices all for others. So I got into writing because I wanted to bring my own story, bring my own flair, bring my own ending to a story to make an underdog, somebody weak, come and be a hero, somebody that you wouldn't expect. And that is why I got into writing. Hello there. So I have 2 kids books out of my 4 kids book series self-published on Amazon. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you get these books for free. Now, I really hope this video gave you a lot of insight into what a hyperbole is, especially with all the examples that I gave. And remember, don't overuse literary devices in your writing. You want to use it where it fits, where it matters. I do have my playlist right here if you want to learn more about different literary devices. If you want to learn about a certain character development, click the video above, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content to help you become a successful writer.